Well, afternoon. This is Derek Demore with Futures Demore and Futures Networks Live. I'm re-recording this because found out I had to take a little break and I recorded the wrong screen. So let's make this quick. Opening bell, positive points for breakfast. The call was for a long, even though it had done a huge run up. It just looked really good. And sure enough, market, we filled all. All of them went great and we did good. So we're 3 for 3 on the longs. Limit order wise, I decided with we were over, all within all-time highs range, and we were close to a lot of things. 42.24 was looming on the S&P. We had there was a lot of upper echelon stuff in the NASDAQ, but I decided not to because the NASDAQ looks so bullish. And then I actually did a limit order with 2 DCAs on the Russell because of just some things that I saw. Wanted to take a chance and let's see what happens. Never got into the second DCA, but we ended up doing, again, really good. I got into both DCAs. So on the S&P, 42.17 down to, I took it at the 10 period. So 6 points on 4 contracts, which was really nice. And on the Russell, we had just say 09 down to the limit that it gave. It didn't really go further. So 4 points on 4 contracts, and we lost the NASDAQ. So that's how we did on that. Let's show the end of day calls and what I did, and we'll go from there. So I'd already moved these to my new spots this morning at 7 a.m. my time, 10 a.m. Eastern, and I had them over. It missed it. I was up in I forget what yesterday's end of day was, but I moved it. I missed it. I think I was right at 42.27. So I missed it below that. And then I noticed that, and it was really because of the FOMC, right? It went way down and then it came back, but then it went back down again. We need to get above 42.24 for the bullish pattern to continue, and anything above 42.37 I really like, long-term bullish, but man, now being kind of end of day, it doesn't look like we're going to get there. So 42.06 and 42.41 is where I put the end of day stuff. Let's look at the MNQ. We'll just slide right into this really quick. Very similar look, and you can see that basically 13,972 is bottom support. I thought that the MNQ was the most bullish and had a chance to pierce the all-time high again, and it came up and touched it since I've made the video. So we're back in the channel. We're pushing. These are my 2 end of day calls, 14,065 and 14,232. And then on the Russell, we have has been an ABC chop, or are we starting a 0 to 1, 1 to 2, kind of a double top, and then a push back? This could be, a nice down move, but we're basically in chop. It looks starting to look trendy. It's gotten down to now 57 at the time of the recording. It was only down to 87, so it's made a new low, bounced off the 50, which isn't surprising. Any close below 22.94 is bearish, and it looks like we're going to end up there. Close above 23.06 is at least a little bullish. So I went 22.76 or 23.20. So that's pretty much it. Let's look at the totals for the end of the day, and that's it. So we ended up 42 point, max gain, 42 points, 276 currency units on the market. Limit orders, I did 4, even though I thought it was 6. I took 4 and 4, and then we lost 18. So we lost 10 points, but we had 88 currency units. I actually should show that as 6. So let me correct that. All right, there's the final corrected minus 8 points and 128 currency units. So thanks for being a part of Futures Demore, Futures Networks Live. We'll do tomorrow, Friday, and then we're all good to go. All right. Talk to you soon.